Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning our course ChatGPT Artificial Intelligence tutorial. In this chapter you learn about how use ChatGPT, what is the introduction of AI, how useful for us. My name is Muhammad Ismail. I am software engineer. Last 4 years I am working in Udemy. Here I have done BS Computer Science and Master in Computer Science. I have published about 30 courses in Udemy. That courses 1 lakh plus students enroll different countries on Udemy and other platforms. I have published 2 research papers on search engine optimization and wireless networking. You can find my profile and Google Scholar. What you learn in this course, the course outline, introduction of ChatGPT. What is the ChatGPT? How can create account? I guide you process step by step. How create user account? How can ask any questions related to your domain? What are you asking? How use create for accounts? What is the AI? What is the importance of artificial intelligence? What is the applications of AI? How can post article with ChatGPT? How can create article contacts? How write programming code? Especially that's very useful for programmers, learners, computers. So it's help you create. How can create YouTube video, title, description, keywords. Also that's help you step by step in this stage. What is the AI? AI is the branch of science which deal helping machines find complex solution problem for more humanly like fashions. It generally involve borrowing characteristic for human intelligence and applying them for algorithms in computer friendly. It is the branch of AI, especially the ChatGPT designed for AI. Open AI is the company who developed the ChatGPT. Why AI? Why we use AI? Because AI is now very useful and every field of world trying to implement AI use on every field of life. Here I am explaining how can creating your account, your first name and second name. Then here is how can ask a question. Here I explain how can you ask a questions. What is the AI? They are explaining AI is the artificial intelligence is field of computer science. Details you can find in course. Here login, how start in creating account. Here's asking a questions. How can ask questions programming? It's help you create for you program code. I have asked here in how I have creating a video YouTube. So they help me creating keywords for the my topic. I ask fuzzy logic. Keywords like fuzzy logic, artificial intelligence, machine learning, decision making, fuzzification, defuzzification, fuzzy set, fuzzy rule. These are keywords they create for me. It's help every life in field here, like they are helping for human and healthcare field and also helping for peoples in the drone cameras. Right here I ask a questions about for loop. They are creating for me the loop. Thank you very much. If you have any query can ask me. Thank you. See you in course. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT. In this course you learn about what is the ChatGPT, how use it and what is the advantage of this technology. Thank you very much. It is the available freely. You can download it. It's developed by OpenAI. the website and software where you learn about ChatGPT, how it's work. These are the website. You can also easily find it in Google. Open AI. After it, you click here. When come here, you try it here. You click here. When you click here, you need first off login with your ID. When you registered yourself and verify your email address and your phone number, after you can log in here and you can write any question here, ask from ChatGPT. It help you all about queries. You can ask any programming, any mathematical problem, anything related with your mind's questions you can ask here. They try to give you. Suppose we are going to ask one questions. I ask question how write for loop in Java programming. They explaining and write code for me to how write code for loop in Java programming language. With help of that, you can also do any programming language. If you have difficulties any programming, you can ask any questions from it. Try to help you. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hello dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT. Now in this lecture I guide you what is the ChatGPT. Let's find out ChatGPT. ChatGPT. When click here on ChatGPT, it's show the first website OpenAI. The OpenAI is the software website which have developed ChatGPT. ChatGPT optimized language model for dialogue. It is conversations, content writing, code writing, AI-based software which change the life of people. We have trained model called ChatGPT which interact to interway dialogue format make it possible to answer follow-up questions. It's help you to answer the questions, different kind of questions, any query related your mind. They give you answer these questions. Let's try. When click here on, it's show here examples of ChatGPT. It is the artificial intelligence software app which help peoples to writing blogs, coding, different software codes. Any questions related come your mind, you can ask here. They help you and quickly answer with help artificial intelligence. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hello dear students. In this lecture we guide you how log on ChatGPT. It is available on OpenAI account on website openai.com, a website where you can find ChatGPT. When you open it, here come on, click sign up. When you click on the sign up button, you can log on here on with your email ID. You give here your email ID, then I am not robot. Click here, I am not robot. You can continue it. If you have already account, you click here, you give your email address, and I am not robot. You can continue it on next stage. You come on the Google ChatGPT here, then click here, then come, let's try. Yes, you can find it. I click here. If you already have, so you click here. If you are new want, you click just here and give your email address and just continue. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning artificial intelligence ChatGPT. In this lecture you learn about how login and verify your email address. When you verify your email address, after it they ask enter your first name and last name. I have entered my first name and last name, then continue. Here I click the continue. Verification phone number. Ads need verify. I have entered. They have sent code to verify. Just it sent a few minutes. Let's I verify it and then continue. Thank you very much. See you next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT artificial intelligence tutorial. In this chapter we discuss and learn about how ChatGPT work and how can we use it. I open the software and log on ChatGPT. Now I am asking any question from it. What is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's field of computer science and engineering that focus on the creation of intelligent agents, which are the system that can reason, learn, and act independently. The goal of AI research is to create technologies that can simulate arguments human intelligence, such as ability to learn, solve problem, and make decision. There are many difficult approach of AI include machine learning, natural language process, and robotics, which can use to build wide range of system and behaviors. Let's ask another questions for it. What is the robotics? Robotic is branch of engineering that deal with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Robots are automated or semi-automated machines that can be programmed to perform variety of tasks such as manufacture, assembling, transportations, inspection, and any other things. industry, commercial, domestic setting, robotic technology is used to wide range application including manufacture, transportations, healthcare, military, and many others. That's the way of ChatGPT. Mostly people like because it's AI based and help you any questions you ask them, they give you answer of that proper way. And if you have any query like blog writing, content writing, content writing, anything, they help you about it and guide you. Let's I'm ask any other questions. I am asked one question in math. Let's what is the 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 equal is 4. Now another question I ask for math. Let's give answer. Who is the founder of computer? The concept of computer has been around many centuries. Various people have continued to develop modern computer. However, the first person built mechanical computer was Charles Babbage, who was known as the father of computer. Babbage designed the machine called Analytic Engine 80, which has general purpose mechanical computer was able to perform wide range of calculations. Analytical engine was never built Babbage lifetime. Its idea led to foundation of development computer. Other important figures history of computer. These are the concept of AI. Let's ask another question. Who is the founder of AI? AI is the field of study along complex history as many contribution development. Some of the key figure AI contributor Alan Turing, who is the pioneer of the computer science. As any questions come in your mind, they mostly give you answers of the questions related to your queries. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT. In this lecture we learn about how write contact on GDP. Actually, the GDP help us writing contact. Any queries come to mind, you can ask here. With help artificial intelligence, they give you answer of your questions. So already there are few questions you can just click. Got examples, quantum computing, got any creative idea for 10-year-old old birthday, how make HTTP request in JavaScript, right? Just we click here and enter, ask this question in JavaScript. There are several ways to make HTTP request in JavaScript. Best method I will explain. explaining the best method according to his point of view. There are many ways. Writing the code of HTTP request in JavaScript. If you using the library framework provide you HTTP request in jQuery, these are questions. We want to clear it, delete, when request delete, automatically delete that's got any creative idea for 10-year old birthday. Let's ask this question. Here is few ideas in birthday celebrations. They giving you few ideas which have on according to his point of view. New chat, clear here click new chat. Any question you can ask here. If you have any idea, any queries, can ask here. They try to give you. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning my course. In this chapter we discuss about what is the artificial intelligence, what is the importance of AI. Mostly people use AI, artificial intelligence, and why we use AI. Let's know about AI. Artificial intelligence is a branch of science which deal with help machines find solution to complex problem in more human-like a fashion. It is a branch of science which mostly deal with helping machines find solution complex problem for humans like fashion. It's the help the peoples solve the complex problem. This is generally involve borrowing characteristics from human intelligence and applying them for algorithms computer friendly ways. It is the algorithms design the computers, it's perform tasks and help peoples depend on the characteristics what kind of characters have defined. Brief history of AI. Let's know about the history of AI. 1941 the first electronics computer technology finally available. 1956 term artificial intelligence introduced. The term was first introduced 1956 the AI. 1960s checker playing program that was able to play games with operands was introduced. 1980s the quality control introduced. 1980s the quality controls of AI has introduced. 2000 first walking robot introduced. 2000. Why AI? Why we need to learn AI? What is the importance of AI? What is the necessary of AI? Computer are formally well suited to perform machine computing using fixed program rules. This allow artificial machines to perform simple tasks which reliable for human suited. Limitations of human mind. Object recognize. People cannot properly explain how to recognize object. Face recognize cannot be passed on another person by explanations. Naming of color based on learning not absolutely standardized. Application of AI. There are many applications for AI. Few of them most popular and mostly used for AI branch. Expert system. It is the expert system, a branch of AI. It is applications, neural language process, speech recognize, computer vision, robotic, fuzzy logic, and many more. These are applications of AI which are used. Expert system. What is the expert system? It is the important part of AI. A expert system is a computer program designed to act as an expert particular domain area of expertise. It's have expertise of his domain. Suppose it's designed for medical purpose, so it work on the medical field. If it's designed for health care or engineering, geographical, IT, any area of domain have expertise, they have work on these area. Expert system currently are designed to assistant expert, not to replace them. They have used to medical diagnosis, chemical analysis, geological field. These are areas we are working. The goal of NLP is enable people to communicate in the neural humanly language such as English rather than the computer language. In the NLP is divided in two categories: NLP understanding, NLP recognition. These are the two parts of NLP. Speech recognition. The primary interactive method of communication used for human is not reading and writing, it is speech. The goal of speech recognition is allow to computer to understand human speech so they can hear your voice and recognize the words we are speaking. It's simply the process of interactive communication between people and computer. It advantage to goal NLP. Like when you talk, so they analyze that through AI and recognize that people were talking or any else. Computer vision. People generally use vision as their primary mean of sensing the environment. We generally use more than hear, feel, or smell or taste. People generally vision of primary sensing the environment, hear, feel, or smell or taste. The goal of computer vision is approach to design give computers some power facilities to understand their surrounding. AI help computer to understand what they see through attached cameras. The computer visions analyze the help of cameras what are going surrounding the computer. Robotics. Robotics is the main and basic branch of artificial intelligence. Robotic is electronic mechanical device that can be programmed to perform manual tasks or a programmable multifunction manipular designed to move materials, part, tools, or specified device through variable program motions for perform a variety of tasks. Intelligence robot includes some of sensorily appear that allow to response to change environments. Advantage of AI. When talking about what is the advantage of AI, they will properly be increasing used in field of medicine. It's mostly used increasingly day by day in field of medicine. A knowledge-based expert system which can cross-reference symptoms designs will improve accuracy diagnose. Its help in health system to diagnose the disease and accuracy work. This is the best advantage of artificial intelligence in health area. Object recognize will also be great for help of doctors, because the object recognize, it is the very important part which help doctors in health areas. Along with image from x-ray machine, they can will be get uh, analyzing of those images. It's help on the x-ray machines. This will be responsible for solve the legal questions and control the influence of health and human, like helping the humans, like robotics with medicine and hospitals, and taking image with drone cameras. That's help people's. Disadvantage: self modify when combined with the self replacing. Its disadvantage may be the self replacement, self combined expected results such a news frequency and computer virus. Such kinds may be disadvantage. What is the feature of AI? The day is not far when is will be just bake your crazy little leads. Just command your personal robot is entity in your roads. He will be perfect combination. Just enjoy what technology. It's help out you in the field of as assistant, help you any area of computers. But wait, don't happy. It may be end their way to someday they will be knock in your door has open it. Your see large number of robots marching into your house, destroying everything you are on and looting you. Because the AI replacing the peoples, replacing nowadays the automated cars, replacing the drivers, assistants, and also some countries have China hire some big organization has a SEO, one robotic who direction all team according to their performance. This is because science are advantage in the technology. Thank you very much. If you have any query, can ask me. See you next video lecture. Hello dear students, you are welcome to learning our course. In this chapter we discuss about applications of AI. How many applications use in AI, which domains AI use. Actually AI have a bright domains and many areas they used, but few of them are there. Healthcare, automobile, finance, social media, entertainment, education, space explorations, gaming, robotic, agriculture, and commerce. These are few most important areas where use artificial intelligence and robotics. Healthcare, when we talk about healthcare of use artificial intelligence, one of the most far deep laying impact which AI has created with healthcare space, because the healthcare is very sensitive. It's directly communicate with human life and affect lives. So AI have great impact in healthcare field. A device commonly Fitbit or iWatch collect lot of data like sleep pattern or individuals in calorie brand and heart rating and lot more, which can help early detection, personalize and disease. It's help the doctors, healthcare professionals who are working or related health areas, and with AI based they are monitor and detect the easy diagnose the diseases with help of artificial intelligence. Automobile, when we talk about the automobile usage, In this stage where automobile changing engines with chassis around the software control intelligence machine role AI cannot estimate it. The goal of self-driving cars, which autopilot by Tesla, and self-driving is very important nowadays, used with helping of AI machine learning algorithms, which help the automobile industry to grow with artificial intelligence. All the auto driving cars using AI technologies and the change world. AI often witness working a magic through robotic produce initial nets, boats and vehicles on automates cars using machine learning and vision of computers. Banking and finance. Of the early adopts artificial intelligence banking and finance industry from chatbots offer banking instance by depositing finance instance India and other countries. They are provide security and money decision making and help them for banking sector provide artificial intelligence very good important factor and playing very important role in banking and finance sector. Social media. All of us love social media. Social media is just not platform of networking. It's self shape of choice ideologies and all due the intelligence tool which silently with the background. When we talk about the impact of social media, if you are using the social media before 5+ years ago, when you are searching anything in Google, Facebook or YouTube, so you not know anything. After implementing the AI, so you are searching any area, any topic. After a day, you know that search engine with help of AI algorithms search show you such kinds ad which are you interested, because how they analyze you are interested. If you are want to how start learning AI, so you start finding how learn AI, so automatically you can find AI based ads on YouTube. If are you find YouTube, are you finding Google or anywhere, any organization, you any search engines, you find anything in Facebook, so they show you that related ads with help AI technologies. They show you all things related to your search queries. Entertainment also AI playing very important role. Show the business with arrival online streaming service like Netflix, Amazon Premium and other technologies use AI base, which help them to recognize all strategies algorithms which users searching their websites and softwares. Space explorations. AI system being developed scale back a danger of human life into the undiscover the universe. A result of space exploration mission just like a Mars cover the possible due to the utilize of AI. Robotic is the very important part of AI. It's mostly used to develop a field of AI. Robotics becoming more efficient, performing tasks earlier too complex. Nowadays, the idea of robotic very popular and mostly used for AI. Like robotics helping the peoples in different ways in different organizations, and also many areas working as assistants to help peoples. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT artificial intelligence tutorial. In this lecture we learn about how write post article in ChatGPT. Let's check it. I want to write article about what is software engineering. It start writing contexts. Software engineering is the process of designing, implementing and maintaining software system. It discipline the combined computer science, project management and engineering to build, maintain software system. Easy to use software engineering, variety tools, techniques, frameworks to develop, test software, and they work wide range of technologies programming. How many programming languages used in software engineering? There are hundreds of programming languages used today, and software engineering you use one of more. These language build software system. C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, JavaScript, Soft, Ruby, these are the software engineers. Why we use software engineering? Software engineering, you can modify questions and proofreading. You need to proofreading some, then manage article according to your requirements. What is software engineering? Softwares, tools, IDs, integrated development environments, Visual Studio. Few tools they explain about software engineering which help us in software engineering. What jobs can do software engineer? Analyze user requirements, develop software specifications, design the architecture structure of software system, implement software components, debug software, identify error fix, maintain and update existing software system, collaborate with the team members. These are the responsibilities of the software engineers. Now I these are the context articles the help of ChatGPT. You can write more context depend on your choices, and any question you can ask them. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT AI artificial intelligence. In this lecture I guide you how write programming code with help of ChatGPT. I asked question how write in React Native loop. Let's start working. React Native code and write the code how it's work in React Native programming language. They start writing and guide us how it's work. Let's check. In React Native, you use the map method to integrate over an array and render list on the examples. Import React from React, import view text from React Native, context my list, return view, items map, items index, view index text, item view text view. This render list item where items in array object of with name property the key required perform reason should unique identifier for each them array. You also use for loop or for off loop integrate or array in React Native. Here example using for loop. Import React from React, import view text from React Native, my list, return view, let's for let I equals 0, I less than atom length plus view key I atom text. And here is example using for of loop. A React import React from React, import view text from React Native, my list property, return view let's I equal 0, for consist atom for purpose atom view key. Both these example will produce same result. Now ask any other questions. I ask question write JavaScript array. How write array in JavaScript? They are start writing in JavaScript programming. They are creating code of array in JavaScript programming language. They have completed. Let's check. There are several ways to create array in JavaScript. Here is example how create array. Fruits, apple, banana, orange. You can also create array using new apple, banana. Access element of array use square brackets, and you also use for each method. They have explained many different methods about using array in JavaScript console. These are methods which define the array in JavaScript programming language. I asked again questions in Java programming. How write array? Let's start creating code of Java. Let's check in Java programming. I asked question, write Java array. In Java you can create array by using new operation or specify the type of elements. Int array new int 5. This create array integer with size 5. You can also create initialize any array single like this. Initial int array 1 2 3 4 5. You can also example element array using index. Index first element int array 0. Int array third element is 2. You can also loop integrate for element in array examples. For integer I equals 0, I int array length I plus plus system out print in array I. This print each element in array console. They have used different methods in Java's programming. I asked question again, write Java loop. They have explaining all do while loop, for loop, all loops in Java programming. They are creating loops for me and guide. Let's check in the what program code have write for us. Do while loop, for loop, for integer I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, system out print line I. While loop, I int I equals 0, while I less than 10, system out print I plus plus. Do while loop, integer I plus 0, do system out print line I plus plus, while I less than 10, this loop will print the number of 0 to 9 to the console. The loop will run at least once and then it will continue run as long I is less than 10, increment by 1. For example, for int 0, I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, if I 5 break system out line print in I. Ads help us also in programming language. The benefit of AI, it's very useful and especially very good for programmers and learners. If they have difficulty any programming, it's help them. It's very great tool. Thank you very much. If you have any query, can ask me. See you next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT. In this lecture, I will teach you how can write the description of YouTube video with help of ChatGPT. It's help YouTube creations, YouTube video vloggers to write description on their videos. Let's check how can we take help from it and write us description for our YouTube videos. Let's YouTube. How post article on blog. The contact writing us how it's creating the step-by-step contexts for our YouTube video. Let's check it's what have wrote for us. Find blogging platform that you want to use some popular option including WordPress, Blogger, and sign up for account in blogging platform if necessary. Navigate publish dashboard backhand on your blog. New post where come in new post. Add new button which open the page where you can create new blog. Enter title your blog post title in field. Type contact on blog post next editor. You can also add image, videos, and other medias. Also they can provide you option where you can create add image, videos, and other medias in your post by using option providing text editor. Where help of text editor you can add these things. Choose any necessary option, category tags, and help organize your blog. Review your blog before post and it look how want. Check it how it's look like. when your contact, you first check it how is look like, anything is missing, you make it and correct at proofreading. Then when you ready to publish your blog, click publish button. Then when you click the publish button, you can publish your context. Now asking uh, keywords for blog. These are the keywords for YouTube video, how post article on blog. There are some keywords that could be used for YouTube video about posting an article, a blog, blogging, post blog article, how to, tutorial, WordPress, blogger, dashboard, text editor, categories, tag, publish and new post. These are few keywords creators give us that can help us to publish the YouTube video. Any articles you can, any topic, like we want to find some other topic, new topic like AI. I find asking keywords for fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is branch of AI, so the mostly keywords related to AI, fuzzy logic, AI, machine learning, decision making, fuzzification, defuzzification, fuzzy set, fuzzy rules, fuzzy applications, fuzzy logics, all things related to the fuzzy. They give us keywords which help us about that title which I have write on the articles. Like ask any other topic. I ask some YouTube, how make YouTube videos. The keyword must be on this topic: YouTube videos, create, make, upload, film, editing, camera, software, tips, tracks, tutorial, all these things related to the video. YouTube video creates, how make video on YouTube. These keyword must be used on the topic. It's help us to write contexts about and keywords for YouTube videos. Thank you very much watching our videos. If you have any query related this, can ask me. See you in next video.